Today we will see sum number 11, chapter number 9, accounts of non-trading concern. From the following information of Surbhi Club, prepare a receipt and payment and income expenditure account. Subscription including 30,000 of 1314 3 lakh, outstanding at the end of the year 20,000, donation 30,000, purchase of furniture 70,000, purchase of sports equipment 40,000, subscription of newspaper 15,000, sale of old furniture 2,000, opening cash and bank balance 60,000, rent paid 60,000, bank expense 1,000, here rent paid 28,000, bank expense 1,000, stationery and printing inclusive a bill of rupees 5,000 of previous year 20,000. Entrance fee 50% to be capitalized 20,000. Legacies 50,000. Honorarium to secretary inclusive rupees 4,000 of previous year 48,000. Honorarium to secretary 4,000. Postage and telephone 10,000. Sundry expense 10,000. Income of cultural program 10,000. Expense of cultural program 60,000. Depreciation return off on furniture 5,000. Purchase of investment 1 lakh and interest on investment 7,000. Now first of all we will see receipt and payment account. Now here whatever incomes are there that we have to record receipt side, and whatever expenses are there we have to record it on payment side. Now your subscription is income, so we have to record it on income side. Afterwards outstanding, whatever outstanding or prepaid is there we have to record it in income and expenditure account and not in receipt and payment account. Donation is income, so we have to record in receipt side 20,000. Purchase of furniture, it is expense, so we have to record it on expense side 70,000. Now purchase of sports equipment. Purchase of sports equipment is expense, so we have to record it on expense side 40,000. Rent paid 28,000, it is expense. Afterwards subscription of newspaper, it is also expense, so it is also recorded on payment side. Subscription of newspaper 15,000. Afterwards opening and cash balance, opening cash and bank balance 60,000 on receipt side. Afterwards rent paid, bank expense, stationery and printing, these all are expense, so we have to write on payment side. Entrance fee 50% to be capitalized. Here entrance fee whatever amount is there we have to write as it is, no any deduction must be done. Honorarium to secretary is expense, so we have to write on payment side. Postage and telephone, sundry expense, both we have to write on payment side. Income of cultural program on receipt side. Expense of cultural program on payment side. Afterwards depreciation return of it is related to income and expenditure account. Purchase of investment is expense, it will come on payment side, and interest on investment is income, so we have to write on income side. Now the total of receipt is 5,49,000. After deducting all this we will get difference of 1,47,000. it means receipt is more than payment, so this is known as cash balance and bank balance. Now we will see income and expenditure account. In income and expenditure whatever prepaid is there we have to deduct it, and whatever outstanding is there we have to add it. Here first is subscription. Subscription including 30,000 of rupees 30,000 of the year 2013-14 3 lakh. So here in previous year it is 30,000 and outstanding is there of 20,000. So here from subscription deduct 1314 30,000 and outstanding we have to add, we will get 2,90,000. Afterwards purchase of sports equipment. Purchase of sports equipment is asset, so it will be recorded in balance sheet asset side. Subscription of newspaper, it is expense, so it will be recorded on expense side. Subscription of newspaper. Afterwards, sale of old furniture. Now furniture is also related to asset, but here see, sale of old furniture, book value is of 5,000 and it is sold for 2,000. So furniture was of rupees 5,000 but it was sold for 2,000, so there is loss of 3,000, so it will be recorded here to loss on sale of old furniture rupees 3,000. Opening cash and bank balance, it is related to receipt and payment account. Rent paid, it is expense, so it will be recorded on expense side. Bank expense also recorded on expense side. Stationery and printing, inclusive bill of 5,000 of previous year. Whatever given year previous year, we should minus it. So 20,000 minus 5,000, 15,000. Towards entrance, 50% to be capitalized. Here in income and expenditure, whatever instructions are there, we have to follow it. They have given 20,000, 50% is capitalized, so entrance fee 50% is 10,000. Honorarium to secretary, inclusive 4,000 of previous year and outstanding is there. So here honorarium to secretary previous year minus and outstanding plus, we will get 48,000. Afterwards, postage and telephone sundry expense, both are expenses, we have to write on expense side. Income of cultural program, it will be recorded on income side. Expenses of cultural program and depreciation return of on furniture, both are recorded on expense side. Purchase on investment is asset, it will be recorded in balance sheet asset side. Interest on investment, it is income, so we will write it on income side. Now we can see that total of income side is more. Total of income side is 4,71,000. By deducting it, we will get difference of 2,22,000. It means income is more than expense. So here whatever balance we have got, we have to write that to excess of income over expenses.